Welcome to Data Warehouse Concepts, Design, and Data Integration, the second course in the specialization, Data Warehousing for Business Intelligence. I'm Michael Menino, your instructor for this course. You will learn exciting concepts and skills for designing data warehouses and creating data integration workflows. This course provides lots of hands-on experience for acquiring this background. You will use open source products for manipulating pivot tables and creating data integration workflows. You will apply design methods to create data warehouse designs by analyzing data sources and business needs in many case studies. I believe that you'll find this course challenging, yet rewarding and enjoyable. By the end of this course, you will acquire background essential for employment as a data warehouse administrator or data warehouse analyst. I look forward to having you in this class. See you online.